Roselyn Katabay. So a pleasant day to everyone. I am Roselyn Katabay, and today we will explore how teachers' roles have shifted over time, and let's see how learners adapt to their new ways of teaching. So imagine yourself entering into a time machine and going back when the teachers used to rule our classrooms with their firm hands, sharp gazes, and chalk dust flying. Fast forward to 21st century, where the classrooms are filled with laptops, computers, interactive tools, and the teachers are not just educators that often teach about the traditional literacy skills such as reading, writing, and grammar that focuses on textbook and handwriting. So in this journey, we will explore the evolution of the changing roles of teachers in building and enhancing new literacies across the curriculum. So in the past, teachers focused on local knowledge and community values, lacking exposure to global perspective. In contrast, 21st century teachers integrate globalization and multicultural literacy by exposing the learners to diverse cultures, global issues, and digital technologies. So instead of just learning about their own street, the learners were able to explore whole wide world. And by that, they are not just understanding one's difference, but they were able to accept, participate, and appreciate global diversity. So now, is appreciating one's background enough to be considered as socially literate? Well, here's the thing. The teachers teach us become socially literate by making our class a friendly place where everyone feels welcome. They teach us how to talk nicely, how to work with teams, and to understand different points of view. By that, our teachers are like our social superheroes, helping us to feel confident and be kind to others. However, do we have to spend money just to show our kindness to everyone? Well, if you do that, you are not that financially literate. In the past, the concept of saving money is enough to be considered as a sign of wisdom. But now, the teachers focus on financial literacy by making the student understand how money works and how can they make smart decisions about it. This prepares the learners to navigate today's financial challenges more effectively. Now, when it comes to becoming digitally and media literate, today, teachers teach more than just newspapers and TVs. They teach us how to use technology responsibly. They also help us to use social media effectively, how to check facts and being safe online. They help us use technology effectively as well as they connect media with environmental issues so that the learners can actively participate and take actions on how to address and solve those environmental challenges for them to become eco-literate. Now, let's jump into self-expression. In the past, artistic and creative literacy focused on strict rules and specific techniques of making arts. But now, the teachers encourage us to look around, appreciate everything around us, and express ourselves freely through art. It helps us to share our thoughts and ideas with others, as well as solve whatever challenges we might face. And while facing those challenges today, it emphasizes critical literacy, where we learn how to analyze and question information deeply instead of just memorizing it. By that, it allows us to understand complex ideas and make a better decision for a brighter future. So in preparation of making that wonderful future ahead, let us all be reminded that as the future educators, we must equip ourselves with those 21st century literacy skills as they are the currency of today's digital world. Again, this is Roselyn Katabay. Thank you for listening and have a great day.